Donald Trump says he is open to talks with Chinese President Xi Jinping after imposing an even higher tariff of 125% on China. In a dramatic shift in policy, the US president has paused higher tariffs on goods entering the US, with the exception of China, which has announced retaliatory tariffs of 84% on US goods that came into effect just over an hour ago.
China hits back at Trump with 84% tariffs on U.S. as trade war intensifies. The trade war just got personal. In a bold and aggressive move, China has slapped a staggering 84% tariff on key U.S. exports, escalating tensions and sending shockwaves through global markets. The tariffs, which target American agricultural goods, energy products, and critical manufacturing exports, come as direct retaliation against Trump-era policies and recent rhetoric pushing for economic decoupling. Beijing's message is clear. They're not backing down. Why now? Sources suggest China's patience has worn thin. After years of tit-for-tat trade restrictions, broken negotiations, and continued pressure from Washington, this latest response marks one of the most severe retaliatory measures yet. Chinese officials stated the 84% tariffs are meant to protect domestic stability and respond to U.S. economic aggression. Analysts interpret this as a strong political play designed to both hurt U.S. exporters and strengthen China's global negotiating position. The impact? Immediate. U.S. farmers, already strained from previous tariffs and supply chain disruptions, now face skyrocketing export costs. Energy companies are bracing for reduced demand, and manufacturers warn this could lead to layoffs and production cuts. Wall Street reacted swiftly. Markets dipped on fears of prolonged economic strain, while industry groups called on U.S. leadership to reconsider its trade strategy before the damage deepens. Trump's response? Predictably defiant. In a late-night post, he accused China of economic sabotage and vowed to hit back harder. But behind the bluster, experts say a strategy shift may be inevitable, especially as election pressures mount and businesses grow restless. Final thoughts. With both superpowers now locked in a dangerous economic standoff, the future of global trade is more uncertain than ever. The question isn't who flinches next. It's how much damage the world can absorb before cooler heads prevail. If this story matters to you, like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, is this a necessary stand or a costly fight with no winners?